Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo dancing together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw Bingo. We'll start with her eyebrows, just like this. Next, let's draw her ears. They're shaped like little triangles. Can you see it? On her face, let's add two big eyes and a happy, smiling mouth. She looks so cheerful. Hey kids! If you're having fun so far, don't forget to like this video so I can make more fun drawings for you. Next, let's draw her arms. She's dancing, so we'll make her arms look like they're moving to the music. Now, right beside her, we'll draw her big brother Bluey. Let's start with Bluey's nose. Oops! Looks like I forgot Bingo's nose, silly me. Let's go back and draw that real quick. Okay, back to Bluey. Let's draw his mouth. It's wide open because he's having so much fun. Now we draw his eyes, but this time they're closed. Maybe he's really into the music. Let's add his eyebrows too. Draw his tail, and then draw his lips just like this. Up on his head, we'll draw two ears there, so cute. To finish up the drawing, let's add some musical notes around them. Can you hear the music in your imagination? Now it's time to use a black marker to trace the whole picture and make it nice and bold. Time to color. Are you ready? Let's go! First, I use sky blue to color Bluey's eyes. I also use this color to paint the light parts of his body. Use dark blue to color around his eyes, his tail, and the tips of his ears. Now let's add some dark yellow for his mouth and details. Next, I color some small parts using gray, red, and a little bit of pink. Now for Bingo, let's start with dark yellow for her fur. Then use a soft cream color for her body. Finally, use gray for the small details. Amazing job! Everyone, your drawing looks fantastic! If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome coloring adventures. See you next time, little artists. Goodbye!